Give us your big takeaway from this report, and what's your rating and price target? Did it change after this report?
Yeah, I mean, to your point, I mean, listen, the only blemish really kind of on this call was China in our view. Actually, the guidance was pretty good, 20 billion in terms of revenue for that January quarter. The January quarter will probably be the peak in terms of revenue growth trajectory here. Revenue will decelerate as we kind of progress through calendar 2024, but nonetheless, I mean, you kind of have to be pretty happy with the results here. I mean, both on the top line as well on the gross margin side, which I think is being a little bit overlooked, where they posted about a 75% margin on that side of things. So, our view here is, yeah, we kept our 12-month target price at $1,600, nudged our estimates up a little bit, but the sustainability of demand is clearly going to be the question mark as we progress through calendar 2024.
All right, your price target is $600, about a 20% upside. By the way, the street's at $663, so you're a little less bullish than your peers. Why are you less bullish? What are you seeing that other people are not seeing?
Well, listen, I think it's one of those things where you have to kind of figure out what the right multiple is here for this stock. And in our view, the multiples are compressing for a reason. And it is because of the fact that growth rates will decelerate as we go through the year. We're looking for more of a sustainable 15 to 20% long-term growth rate for Nvidia as we kind of go through calendar 24 and thereafter. So, when we kind of think about kind of where the multiple has historically been relative to where it should be now, given the size of this company now, we just kind of think it's more justified to have a lower multiple, which is why we use the 28 PE, which is at the lower end of their historical range.
I want to talk a little bit more about that guidance. Again, due to restrictions, they expect business to be softer in China, but they really went out their way to emphasize they think that growth will be made up by other regions. Or do you think investors may be overreacting to that guidance?
Not necessarily. I mean, listen, I think as far as the China story is concerned, we do believe that they're eventually going to get back into China. It is 20 to 25% of their data center business. There are some new chips that they're looking to roll out in China, look to get approval on. We think if that does come back, that will help kind of support demand trajectory again into the April-July quarter. So we do think there is kind of a silver lining in terms of China here as we kind of look in the next couple of quarters. But yeah, I mean, right now there is enough demand to meet kind of the expectations as we see over the next couple of quarters.
Give me your long-term outlook when it comes to Nvidia. A lot of times we talk about their moat when it comes to AI chips. How much longer do you think they're going to have that moat? And again, I want to go back to that gross margin number. Why do you think that's so important? Why do you think investors need to pay attention?
Yeah, I mean, listen, I think when we kind of think about, AI, we do think it is kind of a massive, it will help them significantly expand their total addressable market, not only on the chipset side of things within data centers. So you're talking not only GPUs, CPUs are going to be a huge part of that business next year. In InfiniBand, some of the numbers that they threw out there, north of $10 billion annual run rate, also kind of supporting the growth rate there, but also kind of the addressable market expansion on the device side of things. Outside of data centers, so across autonomous cars and what have you. And, as far as kind of the margin side of things, that is really showing you kind of the pricing power this company has as you continue to see the volume upside. And when you kind of look at their pipeline going into 2024 with the H200, potentially Blackwell in the second half of next year, there's some very good visibility going into calendar 24.